going to be playing with Synchan.
We don't really have to say we're going to be playing with Syncton every time though. And you can just like play the game.
It's okay.
Well, I know, but it's like a waste of time.
Yeah, true. Anyways, seek me already.
Yeah, I've been trying to. I'm looking for you already. Maybe you're the employees only.
Skill issue.
I mean, skill issue. Imagine the hiding episode because you're too scared to actually fight them like a real man. That's real skill issue, I think. That's skill issue.
Even if I get my gun spawn.
What the hell could you be?
Just find out.
I can't jump.
Skill issue.
There's literally a cooldown to my jumps. Now I can jump. I need skill issue, bro. You're not in the employee zone, so where the hell could you be? I don't even think you're inside the store.
Yeah.
I bet you're just hiding outside. I bet you just went outside and went behind the store and went in your car.
Can I tell you something?
What?
You're all Hear me out.
Come on, fight me like a real man. Skill issue! Skill issue, no life, womp womp to the wompity womp womp womps to the womps.
What just killed me?
Yo, why is it night? Hey, why do I see a map up there? I'm pretty sure I remember there being like a roof though. I see the map there again though. I see the map. Doritos! I need to get to the Doritos. No. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide. Where do I hide? I have no idea. Right here. It's a very strong feeling that he will find me. This is not even that good if I hide.
So you have to.
Hell.
shooting fireball. Actually, my pyramid.
Yeah, if you jump on it, it just like runs away.
No, it's free for all.
Okay. I will jump on it, it just runs away from you. It's all the way over there, bro. I see you, Lizzie. I saw you.
Lara, go here so I can have cover.
I know where you went. I know where you went. You went in this room. Went in the green room. The one next to you. I hear those footsteps. Gorilla? Not a gorilla. Yo, I just killed a gorilla. But I found a gorilla that killed it.
What's so funny? What's so funny?
Bro, you literally jump scared me. And I screamed. What do you think? What do you think? What's funny?
No,
Good.
I didn't. Wow.
No, the Bible. Get off of my ball. Oh, I am the seeker. Eighteen, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12,
Such a bad
11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm like inside this trash can. Maybe behind the car. Or maybe not even inside the house. Mambo Bios. Right, Michael. Or maybe you're on the roof. But I don't know how to get to the roof, though. That's the question. How do I even get through the roof? Maybe you climbed a ladder to get to the roof, and then you fell on top of the balcony. That's being down doors. I feel like you definitely went on top of the roof.
You find me, I have an escape route.
Or maybe you're in the vents. Maybe you could be in the vents. Maybe you're hiding inside the middle of the vent, so then when I come inside the vent, you'll find me. You'll go to the other way, so you can get out of the vents. But I don't know which vents you are in. I am almost certain you are inside a vent. Now I'm almost certain. But what next? What will be in? What if I am top of this guy and be on the side? Maybe you are in there. Well, that's it. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Bye.